Tens of thousands of South Koreans gathered in central Seoul on Saturday to voice their opposition to Japan's planned discharge of radioactive wastewater from its crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant into the Pacific Ocean. Stop Japan's dumping of nuclear contaminated water into ocean. Oppose the dumping from Fukushima. Protesters shouted in unison with civic activists and politicians joining the rally. The protesters also criticized the South Korean government's plan to dispatch a 21-member team of experts to Japan in a bid to review the contaminated water discharge process for 6 days from Sunday, as it was noted that private experts were excluded from the team, and they will not be allowed to collect even a drop of the contaminated water as a sample. Despite grave concerns expressed by Japan's neighbors and the Pacific Island countries, the Japanese government has decided to release the radioactive wastewater into the Pacific Ocean in spring or summer.